Hola chicos, welcome to Spanish Lessons with Seba. Today we're going to discuss the prepositional pronouns in Spanish. So what are the prepositions? The prepositions are the words that tell you where the words are, the position of positions. Para, for, por, has many other meanings for them as well, through, in the direction of, and so forth. Again, they tell you where something is going or is in a sentence. Cerca de, close to, lejos de, far from, entre, between, después, after, según, according to, in this case, en, in, and so forth. So if you have here two characters and one says yo te quiero, and you already know the direct object pronoun te, it means I love you. The direct object pronoun makes sense. And the other one answers, no soy nada sin ti. I'm nothing without you. Why is that? That is te in here and ti in here. Well, if we follow this lesson closely, the answer will be clear. So this lesson will be based on your knowledge of the subject pronouns in Spanish. So you should be comfortable with that already. If not, please go back, review, and then start with the prepositional pronouns. All right, so this lesson will be dealing with love and separation. Slightly cheesy, but that's what we're going to use to explain the prepositional pronouns. So here you have some prepositions: sin, without; por, through; for, by; para, in order to. In some meanings, para, it is for, so forth, and in. So you have here lovey-dovey socks, stripies, separation. So one says, vivo lejos de ti. I live far from you. Far is a preposition because it deals with the position of something in the sentence. And you say ti. Why is that? Well, we'll see it in a minute. Yo sufro sin ti. Again, the sufro, I suffer without you. So the preposition is without. Without you. Pienso en ti. En is the preposition. And again, you use ti. So you already know the regular subject pronoun table. It will be yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros or nosotras, vosotros or vosotras, that is used only in Spain, ustedes or ellos, you plural, and they respectively. Ellos also has a form of ellas. So you know that. Those are the normal subject pronouns. So this one will be the table of prepositional pronouns. If you notice, all of the nosotros, vosotros, ustedes, ellos, él, ella, usted will be the same. The only difference will be me with the accent mark and ti. The reason that me has the accent mark is because it might be confused with me, which is the possessive. So in order not to confuse it with it, there is an accent mark. Ti doesn't exist as the possessive, so it's not necessary. So it will be vivo lejos de ti. You're not going to use tú, you're going to use ti. Yo sufro sin ti, pienso en ti. So it will be the same thing for the me and for the ti. Let's see another case. Yo quiero estar contigo. Oh, we just learned that it was me with the accent mark. Why is it conmigo or contigo? Well, because if the preposition is con, with, Then you use this conmigo and contigo respectively, all the rest of them. Ella, usted, ella, él, usted. Nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas stay the same. So it's used only with the preposition con. Yo quiero estar contigo is I want to be with you. Note that it's spelled together and not separately. So, what have we learned in this lesson? The prepositions a, to, de, of, and, in, para, many meanings, por, many meanings, we already discussed that. We'll take this table of prepositional pronouns. The only difference is me and ti, the first and the second person. All the rest coincide with the regular subject pronouns. Then, prepositions entre, según, between or among, and según, according, will take neither table 1 nor table 2. What will they do? They will use actually the regular subject pronouns. So if you use the prepositions entre or según, you will use the regular subject pronouns yo or tú, even though you use them with the prepositions exceptions. Then we learned that preposition con, particular preposition, will take conmigo and contigo. All the rest of the cases will be the same as the regular subject pronoun. I hope this lesson was useful to you. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm planning on recording some practice with the prepositions very soon. If you need to review the subject pronouns, please do it, and then you might review this lesson. All right, good luck. Ciao, pescao.